Hi, this is Epic Trainer Mark Phelan. Today, I'll show you how Rover makes documenting immunization administrations in a fast-paced environment like a drive-through clinic fast and easy. From your mobile device, you can use a streamlined workflow with minimal taps to find the right patient, check them in, and document the administration. This video assumes that your organization has a few people filling different roles using Rover. One checking patients in and taking their information, and another documenting and performing the administration. If your organization has taken a different logistical approach, some of these details may vary, but the general Rover workflows you'll use will be similar. Let's get started. There are 3 ways to find a patient and open their chart: finding them on your schedule, searching, or barcode scanning. When you log into your mobile device for the day, you see your schedule. If you're starting here, you can make finding your patients easier by using filters to see only the patients who are ready for your help. For example, if your role for the day is checking in patients, you could tap the filter icon and then choose only the appointment statuses that make sense. In this case, I'll select scheduled. When you're ready to check in a patient, either scan their barcode or tap their name on the schedule or search results. If you're scanning barcodes to open patient charts, you don't need to use filters. Instead, from the schedule, you can scan the patient's barcode and their chart opens automatically. If you don't see the patient on your schedule, you can always search for the patient to check them in. I'll search for my next patient that just arrived. Their chart opens to the patient summary. You can see the questions that you need to ask the patient. Tap Update Intake Questions, and then enter their answers. When you're done, tap Back to save your work. And then tap Check-in Patient. The patient is now ready to receive their vaccination. When you're ready to document the vaccine administration, open the patient's chart by tapping their name on the schedule, scanning their barcode, or searching for them. In the COVID-19 vaccine section, make sure you know the vaccine brand you're using, and then tap the vaccine you want to administer. When you're administering your first vaccine of the day, you might need to enter the product's administration and immunization details, like the date and time it was administered and the action of given. After that first administration, some details like dose, lot, product, and manufacturer copy forward until you sign out of your device. This means you won't need to enter these details for each patient you see that day. Tap Back to save your work. Verify the administration details and select the site where you'll be administering the vaccine. Because the other details copy forward to all other administrations, the vaccine site is likely the only thing you'll need to enter for most patients. When you're done, tap Accept. Return to the schedule, and you're ready for your next patient. Congratulations, you're helping the world fight COVID-19 one patient at a time.